guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you guys how to get your makeup from this to this in 10 minutes. Here we go. I'm going to show you guys my everyday look. You can use these for your everyday look, but you don't have to, but this is what I do. This is what works for my skin. I have oily skin as well as sensitive skin. The majority of the cosmetic products that I've used in the past has always broken out my skin. So these are the products that I use and I would recommend these. This is the E.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and I use this product all over my face, especially in the areas where it's very oily, which I call my T-zone areas. This helps smooth my makeup and foundation, and it also helps it last longer. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown. Since my eyebrows are already thick, I like to use this to extend the ends of my eyebrows. Sometimes I like to go in and fill in whatever looks thin. I then use a concealer to crisp my eyebrows, such as the LA Girl High Definition Pro Concealer in the shade Coco Tan, and depending on the season, I use Fawn. And the goal is to get it as close to the eyebrow line as possible. That way it can look nice and even and crisp. Next step is to take your small blending brush, and this just blends the concealer with your foundation. Give it that even look so it won't look like a clown. The key is to make sure that you take your time on this part. Under blending or over blending will ruin your whole makeup. I always go back in and correct whatever mistakes are made. I see that one eyebrow is slightly bigger, so I go back in with my brow definer and correct that part. I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. What I love the most about this product is that it has different variations for my skin. For example, if it's wintertime, my skin gets a little dry, so they have the variation of the dry skin foundation. During the summertime, they have the oily foundation. So it caters to all skin types. So whatever your skin type is, select that specific one in the foundation Fit Me. I typically use the lighter foundation directly underneath my eyes and within my T-zone. I do that specifically because I like to take pictures and it gives it that filtered look. Then I go in with the shade that is my normal skin tone, and I just use that to cover my full face. I also like to use this to blend in with my neck. That way my neck and my face won't be two different colors. I use this concealer underneath my eyes and in my T-zone, and I do this just to brighten up my face. It makes me look more awake and more alive. Even if I don't have any foundation on days that I don't feel like putting makeup on, I dab a little bit of that underneath my eyes, tap it in, and it looks perfect. take your blending brush and blend everything all in. I don't know about you guys, but I have dark lids, so I use my high definition pro concealer to brighten up my upper eyelids to blend in with my makeup. Now I'm about to bake my under eye with this powder puff. You can get it anywhere. I feel like all powder puffs are the same. Maybe not, but that's my opinion. And I use the Ben Nye Topaz translucent powder. I prefer the powder puff triangular shape because I can get into the deep creases that other beauty blenders can't, such as my tear duct and the ends or the wispy corners of my eyes. I use a color palette for my blush, and I simply do that because depending on my mood and the occasion, there's different shades of pink and I can switch it up at any time. To seal my makeup and make it last longer, I use the LA Girl Primer Spray. I mix this with the LA Girl Shimmer Spray, Rose Gold. Don't judge me guys, but I love a good beauty mold, and so I use the Wet n Wild in the shade Blackest Black, and I use that as a cute little dot. And then I top everything off with my choice of lipstick. And here we go guys, I am done with this makeup tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe for more beauty tips, travel tips, and more. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!